All right, y'all, we're back with another sub. Do a rebuild on. This one is an old Power Acoustik MOFO 15 dual 4. 3,000 watts, bro. Oh, watch out. 3,000 watts out of this pretty much Walmart tier sub. But anyway, I already got it broken down. I got parts ordered. I'm actually gonna have to make a shim for the spider landing. This sub had 2 spiders, so the dual spider pack or whatever you want to call it, down here on this one on this lower lip and one on this upper lip. I'm ditching that and I'm gonna go with one dual layer spider. Problem is it's a 2.5 inch coil and I think it's a 9 inch or 8.5 inch spider landing, but it's only I think 8 inch on the inside here. So I'm actually I got some HDPE plastic, and on my CNC machine I'm going to make a ring that goes in here basically to make a narrower spider landing but taller, so that the triple joint of the the coil, spider, and cone kind of all touch, at least closer than they would otherwise. So I may even lift the basket up a little bit by 5 or 10 mil or whatever, but I'm gonna play around with it, see what I can do. But we're gonna get cleaning. I already started on a little bit, but we're gonna keep going. So here we go. All right, so this thing's pretty much cleaned up. I'm gonna make a shim, like I mentioned earlier, out of HDPE plastic to live in here, to raise it up so that I can make some space for a appropriately sized spider. We'll cover that on the next video, but this thing's pretty much cleaned up. I mean, it needs to be wiped down with acetone or whatever, but it's pretty much ready to go. At least all the gunk's off, all the glue. But anyway, that's it for now. Take her easy.